Stream.
Soda stream.
Those balls.
I love how the beginning of the video is soda stream. Like, so no one knows, it says soda stream like on the thing. Bubble.
So what you doing there?
Pouring your flavoring in.
Oh, look at this fish. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh,
Try it, dude, it's good.
this is like the chemistry. This is like the chemistry class. Look at this. Look at this. So what do? You just let it settle like this.
Yes. And then,
How many freaking soda streams are you
what kind is
making?
this?
That one's your
Everyone, ready? Soda stream.
And then we drink it. It's like a commercial. And then we sip it and tastes like ginger ale.
Dude, soda stream.
Yeah,
Dude,
soda stream.
Dude, come
A
on.
healthier way to drink soda from a stream of air. And then you drink it and it tastes like, well, I don't know, let's see. Ginger ale! And that will be the end of the commercial.
Oh my god. Okay, all done.